What do you mean? You're
I'm royalty.
You're a queen. Do you think it's easier for Australians to do British accents?
I think it is.
Sometimes I've mistaken an Australian accent for a British accent.
I see. Well, when you're an Australian, it's really easy to distinguish because you just remember your very mid-Australian accent, and then when you hear British, you have this sense of amazement, and that doesn't happen normally when I hear an Australian accent anymore.
I see.
I'm just like, oh, I see.
Sometimes I think Australians sound Irish.
Really?
Yeah. But I can't do an Irish accent myself. Wait, what are you? What are you saying? What accent is that?
I'm sorry.
What?
You know, Jacksepticeye?
Top of the morning to you ladies, my name is Jacksepticeye and top of the morning to you ladies, my name is Jacksepticeye and
I do know who that is. Oh, that person's... Oh, I don't watch it.
Yeah.
I'm not cultured. I didn't know what his opening was. I do remember. Oh, I see. I'm uncultured. I'm sorry. I had absolutely no idea what you were doing.
Oh!
No idea.
Oh is this like a moment in history? I made a reference and Mumei didn't get it! Oh! This is a historical moment.
Is that a commonly known reference?
Yeah.
Oh, gosh.
I think yeah. Well, I think it is.
Probably. If you watch YouTube, it probably is.
I think it is.